One thing I heard in my training to have this job is that public health is working when you don't realize it. Really, and even when you do hear about a public health issue, it's usually because it is coming to the forefront and we're dealing with it. And maybe not us, but our experts behind the scenes. A lot of what public health does, like you mentioned, is education and prevention. And that's one of the reasons that we want to have the podcast, to kind of get ahead of things. Information and knowledge is power. We want people to have those tools to be able to be successful, to be healthy, and live better lives.
Yeah, and like Cassie said, there are so many things that people, I don't think, realize falls under public health, such as the Office of Animal Welfare and the Office of Preparedness. Those are two things you might not think that those are public health related, but as we said earlier, everything is. And there's a lot going on here that I don't think people are aware of that we can hopefully shed some light on and educate folks about.
Yeah, animal welfare as well.